Okay. After several failures to install the Garmin bracket, now I found the correct product from 76, which is can be installed. They have two fits over here, and then the brackets is on the top. Okay, so the installation should be easy, and then this scratch show that my several failures using another kind of brackets. So hopefully this time it works. So the installation is very easy. Just put it in here. Put another one here. You see the gear over here, it should be in the inside part. Okay, then okay, we tighten this part. Until it's really tight. Same case with the left side. Okay, this is the main part. If it got the distance like this, so they provide also some fisher. There are 4 types, 2 types, 2 each. So use the smaller one. Put this inside this one. Another one is inside this one. You can put one first. Now what other one, in order to be balanced, we can loosen a little bit on this side. But first of all, we put this nut into inside this one. Wait a minute. So make loose of this one a little bit. Make this one loose a little bit. And start install this one. So each of these have the same size, same distance to each other. If you have difficulty using this one, maybe you should use the manual to tighten it. This is too big. Okay, so we'll tighten this part. And we try whether the Garmin edge can fit inside like this. Okay.